Something just happened in artificial intelligence, and it could change everything you know, but almost no one is talking about it. Breath. This is Kimi K2 2.6 Swarn, a next-generation AI model that is already being compared to the most powerful systems in the world. It's an advanced AI model, designed for high-speed thinking and complex tasks, competing with top-tier AI systems. Right under our noses, it didn't make a sound. No big announcement on the news. But in the quiet corners of the internet, a shift just happened. A tool that feels like it's from the future just became our present. They have no idea that the ground is moving beneath their feet. This isn't a story about complicated technology or code that only a genius can understand. This is a story about power. The power to create, the power to build, the power to earn a living in a way that was impossible just a few months ago. The kind that lets one person do the work of a team. The kind that lets a single good idea become a real thing, a real product, a real business, overnight. The part you need to remember is the last word, swarm. They move as one. They have a collective intelligence. This isn't just a single AI assistant that answers one question at a time. This is an entire team of agents, a digital crew, ready to take on a complex project and see it through from start to finish. It's a game changer. Imagine you have an idea for a business. Before, you'd need a plan, you'd need a coder, you'd need a marketer, you'd need a writer. That takes time, that takes money, a lot of it. Now picture this. You give your idea to Kimi. It breaks down the problem. It creates a team of up to 300 specialized AI agents. One agent is your project manager, others are coders, others are researchers, others are copywriters. They all get to work at the same time, coordinated. Content creation, writing scripts, generating viral ideas, become a content factory, multiple videos a week, coding, building apps instantly. It doesn't just suggest, it builds. Business automation, emails, customer support, workflows, handles complex tasks easily. Video creation, AI-generated videos and editing. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer in Ohio. She used to spend days mocking up website designs for clients. Now, she describes the client's brand to Kimi. The AI swarm generates 3 different homepage layouts. In under an hour, she's now handling 4 times the clients she used to, and her work is better than ever. Then there's Leo, a recent college grad in London. He fed his detailed idea into Kimi code. The AI swarm acted as his development team. 2 weeks later, he had a working prototype. He didn't learn to code, he learned to direct. Look at Maria, a history teacher from Brazil. Now, she gives Kimi a topic. The AI generates a compelling script, suggests public domain images and video clips, and even creates a storyboard. She can now produce a high-quality video in a single afternoon, not a full week. Her channel is growing, and so is her AdSense revenue. Small businesses are using it to punch way above their weight. A small e-commerce brand is using Kimi to run its entire customer service department. The AI handles emails, answers frequently asked questions via chat, and can even process returns automatically. This frees up the owner to focus on product development and marketing. These are real-world use cases from people who decided to act. They just started building. They started creating. They started earning. But here's the crazy part. What happens next will shock you. And this is where things get even more interesting. The money. A powerful tool is just a toy unless it can help you build a better life. And Kimi K2 2.6 is a direct path to earning. First, YouTube automation. This is the big one. The demand for content is endless. You pick a niche, history. You pick a niche, science. You pick a niche, finance. You pick a niche, whatever. Use Kimi to generate dozens of video ideas. Ask it to write the scripts. Use other AI tools to make voiceovers and visuals. Become a content factory. Multiple videos a week. More videos, more views, more subscribers, more ad revenue. Second, the TikTok and Shorts gold rush. Short form is all about volume and testing. Ask Kimi, give me 50 viral hooks for a productivity hack. It spits them out in seconds. Ask it to write short scripts for the best hooks. Film, post, and see what sticks. Test dozens of ideas in a single day. Monetize via brand deals, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. Third, supercharged freelancing. Are you a writer? Are you a coder? Are you a marketer? Are you a consultant? Your world just changed. A client needs 10 blog posts? Generate first drafts in an hour. You refine. A client needs a landing page? Kimi codes the skeleton. You customize. Take on more projects, deliver faster, and charge a premium. Your output just went up by 10 times, and your income can follow. Fourth, build and sell AI-powered businesses. Don't just use the tool, build on top of it. Create a service using Kimi's API on the back end. Example, personalized meal plans. Example, real estate listings. Build a done-for-you agency using AI to deliver finished products. People are building micro SaaS and agencies around this, creating recurring revenue streams that were unthinkable for a solo founder just a year ago. But the real power of this AI is something most people still don't understand. What makes Kimi K2 2.6 Swarn truly dangerous is how fast it's improving. The next jump will be even bigger. This rapid exponential improvement is creating a shockwave that is going to ripple through every industry. Any job that consists of moving information around on a screen, of following a predictable set of rules, is at risk. That's not fear-mongering, it's a simple observation of a technological reality. The AI can now do that work, and it can do it faster, cheaper, and at a greater scale. Think about what the automobile did to the people who made horse-drawn carriages. Think about what digital cameras did to Kodak. We are at that kind of inflection point. The difference is, this transition is happening in months, not decades. Ignoring it is not a strategy. Waiting to see what happens is the most dangerous thing you can do right now. Because while you are waiting, other people are building. They are learning. They are adapting. They are capturing the opportunity that this disruption creates. But here's the flip side. Every moment of disruption is also a moment of immense opportunity. The established gatekeepers, the big companies with their slow-moving processes are at a disadvantage. Speed and adaptability are the new currency. A single person with a powerful idea and the skill to wield a tool like Kimi K2 2.6 can now compete with an entire department. This is the greatest leveling of the playing field in our lifetime. You can see this wave coming and be terrified. Or you can grab a surfboard. You can paddle out to meet the wave. You can learn to ride it. It will be turbulent. It will be challenging. But for those who learn to harness its power, it will be the ride of a lifetime. The risk is not in trying to adapt. The risk is in doing nothing. The biggest mistake is to believe that this won't affect you. What happens next will shock you. You now know about the secret. Kimi K2 2.6, the Swarm. A tool that can amplify your ideas, your creativity, and your ability to earn a living in ways that feel like science fiction. It's hiding in plain sight, waiting. For a lot of people, this will just be another interesting article they read, another video they watched. They'll nod, say that's cool, and then go back to their normal lives. But for a few people, this will be a spark, a wake-up call, the tool they needed to finally bring their idea to life. It's a fork in the road. Down one path is business as usual, the safe, predictable route. But that safety is an illusion. Down the other path is uncertainty, challenge, and learning. It's the path of the builder, the creator, the adapter. It's the path where all the growth happens. It's the path where the future is being built. It's about humans with AI replacing humans without AI. It's that simple. This is your chance to be the human with the superpower. If you're not using AI like this in 2026, you are already behind. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the future.